So good evening, welcome to Sakalavidya YouTube channel. Okay, so welcome you all. So today we are going to discuss the remaining problems of this set trigonometry. Okay, next problem number 25. So problem number 25. Evaluate Okay, Lakshmikanta, welcome. Sine 90 degrees upon cos 45 degrees plus 1 upon cosecant 30 degrees. Okay, Naveen, welcome. Okay, let us solve with this problem now. Right, Siva, sine 90 degrees upon cos 45 plus 1 upon cosecant 30 degrees. So first we need to write sine 90 degrees value. What is the value of sine 90? That is 1. Raghava. Cos 45 degrees equals to 1 upon root 2. Cosecant 30 degrees equals to 2. So with the help of these values, we need to find out this one, this expression value. Okay, let us find out now. Let us substitute sine 90 degrees is equal to 1 upon cos 45 equals to 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon cosecant 30 is 2. 1 upon 1 upon root 2 means this is root 2 plus 1 upon 2. Here 2 is the LCM. 2 times root 2 to root 2 plus 1. So this is the answer. Arun Kumar Lenkala, welcome. Good evening. Right. 26th problem. 26th problem. Evaluate. So first all of you note down the question. 2 times cos 60 degrees to the power of 4 plus sine 60 degrees to the power of 4 minus tan square 60 degrees plus cot square 45 plus cot square 45 and plus 3 secant square 30 degrees. Secant square 30 degrees. Okay. What is the answer? Anybody? Can you give the answer? So what shall we do now here? First let us write the given expression, that is 2 times cos 60 degrees to the power of 4 plus sine 60 degrees to the power of 4 minus tan square 60 degrees plus cot square 45 degrees plus 3 secant square 30 degrees. So let us recall the values. So tomorrow onwards I will give the timetable. Okay. So now first write down cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees equals to 1 upon 2. Sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 upon 2. Tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3. Am I correct? Cot 45 degrees is equal to 1. Secant 30 degrees is equal to 2 upon root 3. 2 upon root 3. So let us substitute these values now. So daily actually I would like to take in the evening hour. Okay. I will share WhatsApp number. Sahi Rohit. Right. So let us substitute the value. This is 2 times cos 60 means 1 upon 2 power 4. Sin 60 whole to the power of 4. Root 3 upon 2 whole to the power of 4. So minus tan square 60 means root 3 square plus cot square 45 degrees 1 square. Am I correct? 3 times 2 upon root 3 whole square. So you need to simplify very carefully. Okay, now you get 1 by 2 upon 4 means 1 by 2 is multiplied for 4 times. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16. So 2 upon 1 upon 16 plus root 3 is multiplied for 4 times. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 into 3, 9 upon 4. 16. So minus root 3 square is 3 plus 1 plus 3 times 2 upon root 3 whole square is 4 upon 3. So 3 1 ja 3, it's cancel. We have. So very interesting. So this we can write 2 times 9 plus 1 is 10 upon 16 minus 4. This will be plus 4. 1 into 4. 4 gets cancelled. This will be 20 by 16. 4 5 ja, 4 4 ja. So answer is 5 upon 4 is the answer. Okay, welcome Lakshmi. Welcome Lakshmi. So now I shall move to the set 3 problems today, new problems. Okay, set 3 problems today. Set 3. First question, evaluate in that first question sine 18 degrees upon cos 72. Second question, tan 26 degrees upon cot 64 degrees. Third question, cos 48 degrees minus sine 42 degrees. Fourth question, cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. Secant 59 degrees. Yes, Rajesh Gaud. First option 1, first question 1, second question 1, third question is 0, fourth question is also 0. Yes, but we need to do it. It's a board examination. We need to solve the question. Okay, first let us solve the first question now. First one solution. Sine 18 degrees upon cos 72 degrees. See, here 70 degrees is 2 is more than 18. So let us change the 72 degrees. So we have, see, cos Sine 90 degrees minus A. Formula we have cos A. Sine changes to cos. Here put A is equal to 18 degrees. Now what do you get? Let us see. See, this is sine of 90 degrees minus, sorry, put 72 here. Put 72, so highest angle, 72 degrees. So sine 90 minus 72 degrees equals to, you get cos 72 degrees. So sine 90, the sine of 90 minus 72 is 18. So sine 18 degrees is equal to cos 72 degrees. Instead of cos 72, we can write sine 18. Sine 18 degrees by sine 18 degrees. Both numerator denominator is same. Cancel, we get one answer. Okay. Bhavani. So watch my playlist. Just type in go to the YouTube, sakalavidya 1A maths. You type it. You will get many videos on intermediate classes. Okay, now the second question. Second question. Tan 26 degrees equals to cot 64 degrees. So now write down here, we have the formula tan 90 degrees minus A equals to cot A. Here bigger angle is 64. So put A equals to 64 degrees on both sides. So now what do you get now here? Tan 90 degrees minus 64 equals to cot 64. So subtract 64 from 90. You get 26. So tan 26 degrees equal to cot 64 degrees. So cot 64 is replaced by tan 26 degrees. Tan 26 degrees upon tan 26 degrees. So tan 26 degrees, tan 20 cancel, we have 1. Answer is 1. Okay, third one. Third one. What is the third one we have? Cos 48 degrees minus cos 42 minus sin 42. Sin 42 degrees. Okay, here write down cos of 90 degrees minus A. Sorry, 1 minute. We need to change this angle in terms of sine. So sine 90 degrees minus A equals to, we have cos A. So put A equals to 48 degrees because we need to get cos 48 value. So now we get like this. Sine of 90 degrees minus 48 equal to cos 48 degrees. So 90 minus 48 is 42. So sine 42 degrees equals to cos 48 degrees. So instead of this cos, we can substitute sine 42. So this equals to sine 42 degrees minus sine 42 degrees. So both will be gets cancelled. Sine 42 minus sine 42, 0. Answer is 0. Okay, now the fourth question. What is the fourth question we have? Cosecant 31 degrees minus secant 59 degrees. So now what shall we write now here? Cosecant of 90 degrees minus A The cosecant changes to sec A. Now put A equals to 59 degrees. So in the light of this problem, okay, if you substitute A is equal to 59, what do you get? Cosecant of 90 degrees minus 59 equal to secant of 59 degrees. So this is cosecant of 31 degrees equal to secant 59 degrees. Now the secant 59 is replaced by cosecant 31. So you get cosecant 31 degrees minus cosecant 31 degrees. Now what do you get? 0. Both will get cancelled. We get 0 answer. Right. So let us move to the next problem. Ganesh. Second question. Show that, this is very important question. Show that tan 48 degrees into tan 23 into tan 42 multiplied by, or into, we can say tan 67 degrees equals to 1. We need to prove. Right. Tan 48, tan 23, tan 42, tan 27. So now take left hand side, LHS, tan 48, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67. So my dear children, you remember one thing. So we need to change tan 48 in terms of cot. Tan 67 we need to change these two angles. First, let us change it. So now we can write like this. See, we have like this. Cot of 90 degrees minus A equals to tan A. Use this formula. So now put A equals to 48 degrees first. What do you get now here? Cot of 90 degrees minus 48 equal to tan 48. So that implies this is cot 42 degrees equals to tan 48. So that means instead of tan 48 we can write cot 42. So now here same, this time put A is equal to 67 degrees. 67 degrees, because this tan 67 we need to change. So we get once again cot 90 degrees minus 67 equals to tan 67 degrees. So that implies 90 minus 67 is 23. So we can write cot 23 degrees equals to tan 67 degrees. So I showed here with color. Tan 48 is replaced by, so this is the part. So we can write like this. Tan 48 is equal to, we can write cot 42 multiplied by tan 23, tan 42. So now the tan 67 can be written as cot 23. So we have one formula. Cot is 1 by tan. This we can write 1 by tan 42 degrees into tan 23 into tan 42. Cot 23 is 1 by tan 23. See, tan 42 1 ja tan 42, tan 23 1 ja tan 23. So you will be getting 1. This is RHS, right hand side. Hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. Okay, third one. If tan 2a equals to cot of a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Find the value of a. This question is very important. Anybody? So here let me read the question once again. Tan of 2a equals to cot of a minus 18 degrees. 2a is acute. Obviously a is also acute angle. Then acute angle we need to find out. A we need to find out. So that means actually tan we need to express in terms of cot. So that can be done. You see, the tan a equals to, we can write cot 90 degrees minus a. This is a formula. Or cot 90 minus a is tan a. That means instead of this tan 2a, we can write cot 90 minus 2a. Both sides comparing the angles, we shall get the value of a by solving. Okay, let us solve it now. Solution. So given first, tan 2a equals to cot of a minus 18 degrees. So with the help of this formula, this tan can be written in terms of cot. That can be written cot 90 degrees minus 2a equals to cot of a minus 18 degrees. But don't say removing cot on both sides. That is absolutely wrong. Don't use that such word. Removing cot on both sides. No. Compare the both angles on both sides. That means comparing these two angles. 90 degrees minus 2a and a minus 18 degrees. So we get like this now. That implies 90 degrees minus 2a equals to a minus 18 degrees. So now transpose 2a this side, minus 18 this side. 90 degrees plus 18 degrees equals to a plus 2a. So this we get now 3a equals to 108 degrees. So therefore a equals to 108 degrees upon 3. 3 3 ja 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. 18. 3 6 ja. That's why 36 degrees. So hence a equals to 36 degrees. This is the answer. Soni correct. Seshikumar correct. Rajesh correct. Absolutely correct. Very good, Anna. Right. One minute. 1 minute. Okay, tomorrow I shall take Sai Midhun Reddy. Okay, fourth problem. Fourth problem, no doubt. if tan A equals to cot B, then prove that A plus B equals to 90 degrees. Then prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. If tan A is equal to cot B, then prove that. So that means here tan A equals to cot B means we need to express tan in terms of cot. That means tan A equals to cot of 90 minus A we can write. So intermediate first year mathematics, like already completed all the videos have been uploaded, Nana. Just type it, you will be getting the all the videos. In offline session you can watch. Okay, solution is given tan A equals to cot B. So now let us change this tan A. This tan A can be written as cot of 90 degrees minus A. So now we can write cot of 90 degrees minus A equal to cot B. Comparing angles on both sides. 90 degrees minus A equals to B. Transpose minus A that side. 90 degrees is equal to A plus B. So hence A plus B equals to 90 degrees. This is the answer. A plus B equals to 90 degrees. Fifth question. If secant 4a equals to cosecant of a minus 20 degrees. Thank you. Raghuramu. Now I have been explaining 10th class maths. Right, sec 4a is equal to cosecant of a minus 20 degrees, where 4a is acute angle. Find the value of a. Find the value of a. That means angle A we need to find out. Angle A. Okay. See, the secant of 4a equals to cosecant of a minus 20 degrees. 4a is acute angle, then the value of a we need to find out. So what is the plan? The sec 4a need to be expressed in terms of cosecant, so that comparing the both angles both sides, so we shall get the value of a by solving the linear equation in capital A. Okay, let us solve it now. Here given secant 4a equals to cosecant of a minus 20 degrees. So we have, see, sec a equals to cosecant of 90 degrees minus a. So now this can be written cosecant of 90 degrees minus 4a equal to cosecant of a minus 20 degrees. Now what shall we do? Okay, now 90 degrees minus 4a equals to a minus 20 degrees. Minus 4a this side, 20 this side. So 90 degrees plus 20 degrees equals to a plus 4a. So 5a equals to 110 degrees. So therefore a equals to 110 degrees upon 5. Okay, how could you simplify? 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 10, 10, 5 2 ja. So therefore or hence a equals to 22 degrees. This is the answer. Okay, sixth question. Sixth question. Right. If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sine of B plus C by 2 equals to cos A by 2. This is the problem. It may be given for 2 marks in the examination. Okay, it's a very important problem. So that means actually angle sum property of the triangle need to be applied here. If ABC are interior angles of a triangle ABC, we have A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So transpose here that side, B plus C is equal to 180 degrees minus A. Divide both sides by 2 and apply sine on both sides so that we get the answer. This process need to be applied. So solution. So we have A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees. So B plus C equals to, we can write 180 degrees minus A. Divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. So what do you get now here? So we get like this. B plus C upon 2 equals to 180 degrees minus A upon 2. So this can be written 180 degrees by 2 minus A by 2. Obviously the B plus C by 2 becomes 180 by 2 is 90 degrees minus A by 2. It's very simple. In the place of this B plus C by 2, substitute 90 degrees minus A by 2. Then you get the answer. So left hand side, sine of B plus C by 2. Okay. So we have the B plus C by 2 equals to 90 degrees minus A by 2. So now instead of B plus C by 2, we need to replace 90 degrees minus A by 2. So this is sine of 90 degrees minus A by 2. So we have one important formula. Sine of 90 degrees minus any angle A, say. So we get cos A. So this can be changed in terms of cos. So we get cos of A by 2. This is RHS, right hand side. Hence, it is proved hence it is full. Right. Shall we move to next problem? Okay, seventh question. Express sine 67 degrees plus cos 75 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles So good evening, Srinivas. Angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. This is the question. See, express sine 67 degrees plus cos 75 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45. So we need to change 67 in between 0 to 45, 75 also in between 0 to 45. So that means, so let us write like this now. Solution: sine 67 degrees plus cos 75 degrees. So just you do one thing, 90 minus 67 you do it. How much you will be getting? 3 to 23. So that means this can be written sine of, without changing the ratio, 90 minus 23 right down. So this 23 is in between 0 to 45 only. Similarly 90 minus 75. 90 minus 75 is 15. So this can be written cos of 90 degrees minus 15. But both seem to be rather, it's wonderful, correct. Both seem to be rather, we have this formula. So what is the formula? Sine 90 minus A equal to cos A. And cos 90 minus A equal to sin A. So with the help of these two formulae, now we can express as we required. So now this can be changed now. Sin 90 minus A means 23. This becomes cos 23. See, check, 23 lies between 0 to 45. This can be changed sin 15 degrees. Hence required desired value have been obtained. So one time is enough, Rajesh. Okay. Let us do one more question. Prove that one minus sine square of 90 degrees minus theta root over plus 4 minus 4 sine square of 90 degrees minus theta root over equals to 3 sine theta. Okay. What happened? Okay, one time is enough, Nana, because others may get confusion. It leads confusion. I will go through your chart also, don't worry. Okay, let us solve it now. Yes. Viresh. Solution. Take left hand side, that is root over 1 minus sine square of 90 degrees minus theta plus root of 4 minus 4 sine square of 90 degrees minus theta. So we have the formula sine 90 degrees minus A equal to cos A. Am I correct? So that's why Saket, welcome. Instead of this sine 90 minus theta and sine 90 minus theta, we can replace cos. So that we can write this is 1 minus cos square theta whole root plus whole root of 4 minus 4 cos square theta you can write. So root of 1 minus cos square theta. So having been taken 4 common out, root over we get 4 times 1 minus cos square theta. Here we have one interesting factor is that so 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sine square theta formula, or sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, take care. Right now we can write instead of this root of sine square theta plus root of 4 sine square theta. Root of sine square theta is sine theta plus root of 4 sine square theta is root 4 is 2 sine theta. 2 sine theta plus sine theta, 3 sine theta. So this is RHS. So hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. Nishit, Chikati, welcome. Sanghita, Velpuri. So any new viewers are there, subscribe, like, subscribe and share. Okay. So ninth question. If A and B are two acute angles and sin A equals to cos B, then prove that, this is very important, then prove that A plus B equals to 90 degrees. A plus B is equal to Gemaxin sin square theta plus 2 root of sin square theta. It's very good, very good, very good. Good try, good try. Very good try. Very good try. Okay. Solution. Here given sin A equals to cos B. So now this sin A we can write as cos 90 degrees minus A. So let us replace, instead of sin A, cos 90 degrees minus A equal to cos B. Comparing the angles on both sides. 90 degrees minus A equals to B. Transpose minus A this side. 90 degrees is equal to A plus B. So therefore A plus B equals to 90 degrees, or A comma B are complementary also we can say. A comma B are complementary also we can say. Okay. Okay, 10th question. Viresh. says if A comma B are acute and tan A equals to cot B, then A plus B equals to 180 degrees. Do you agree with him? Justify your answer. Justify your answer. This type of question may be asked in the examination. Okay. Okay. Viresh, Gempudi, do you support or not? This is your question. Okay, first you consider tan A is equal to cot B. Tan A we need to write cot of 90 minus A. 90 minus A is equal to B. 90 becomes A plus B. But he said A plus B is equal to 180. So his statement is wrong. So the statement is false. So we do not agree with Mr. Viresh. Okay, now the solution. So given tan A equals to cot B. Yes, yes, yes. Tan A equals to cot B. Now this tan A we can write cot of 90 degrees minus A. So cot B. So now 90 degrees minus A equals to B. 90 degrees equals to A plus B. That means A plus, therefore A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. But according to his version, it is 180 degrees. So wrong. No, I do not, or I don't agree with him. So we need to deny his statement. Yes, Lakshmi, you do not agree with him. Absolutely correct. Yes, your question. And now anybody create your own question now. All of you, you need to create in the chat box. Create your own questions with your names. With your names. Because in formative assessment also, you need to create your own questions. That's one of the tools. In Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, you might have heard, creating new questions or generating new questions. Now you are asked to prepare one question now. So who will prepare the good question now? I will check. That question I will discuss. I will give 5 minutes time to you. WhatsApp number I will give, but my own number, but don't call me. But okay, I will prepare a WhatsApp group. Okay, note down. I will give my number. Okay, in the chat box I will give. Okay, now prepare the question. Good evening. Nobody prepared. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.